welcome to my channel, and this video is for the Orly lovers. And today I will be showing you my Orly season pass box, and this is the new neutral for fall 2018. And if you haven't already, I left a link in the description box below. It is a video on how to order your Orly season pass, and then you will get the boxes delivered directly to your home. But the purpose of this video is to basically show you what's included for the new neutral. So let's take a peek. So first we have an insert here, which is really beautiful. I love neutrals. Sometimes you may not want so much color, but you want just a basic neutral. So this is really nice. Let's flip this over. And here is a description of what's included in the box. The nail polish colors are listed here. We do have a get the look, step 1, step 2, step 3, and a few bonus items are included. So you get some art supplies, nail foils, and Orly flash dry drops. Very nice. So let's have a peek. Okay, so let's look at this first. So these are the quick dry high shine drops. We'll be using those. Accelerate dry time on freshly lacquered nails while delivering brilliant shine and preventing smudging and nicking. So that's the first item. And these are the cute little nail foils. Look at that. How nice these are. Okay, here's a silver. Oh, I love gold. And here's gold. Okay, so here are the nail polishes. And the first one is I Love You, Kelly, Fall Into Me, Cashmere Crisis, Snuggle Up, Marvelous, and Seize the Clay. Oh, very beautiful. Nice colors, nice heavy container. So that is the box. New neutral for fall 2018.